Hey guys, welcome back. So today's topic is how to change chart types and formatting in Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so Excel has a lot of varieties of chart. So anyway, any chart if you want to create, the shortcut key to create a chart is Alt F1. So if you press Alt F1, it will directly create a chart for you. Okay, so whenever you are creating a chart, okay, you go to insert or you directly press alt or you create a chart from this part. Okay, so if you want to change this view which you are currently looking at, let's say instead of this you want this, then you can change it to this bar type. You want a 2D area type or 3D area type or a pie chart, then you can always change it to a pie chart. Okay, so if you just change it to a horizontal chart, and if let's say you want to change it to some other chart type, okay, then in that case, so if you want to select chart from the system or inbuilt charts which are already provided here, you need to, whenever a chart is created, this design tab gets activated. Okay, within this design tab you can select this change chart type. Okay, if you click on this, then you can see all different types of charts over here which we can use. If you want a line, then you can use a line chart. If you want a pie, then you can use a pie chart. You can just click on those buttons. If you want a bar chart, probably this one, then you can have, then we have different scientific uh, and this is charts also. Then we have stock related charts also. Then we have surface. So these are different charts. So based on the requirement, you can always select any of these charts. So in this case, let us select a pie chart, or let's say a line, a column chart itself. Okay, I will select OK. So based on your requirement, you can always, these are the recommended charts which Excel provides by default. Okay, so I will just click OK. So if you see over here also, there are different options over here also, chart styles which can be selected anytime you want. Okay, and these are just styles. Okay, if you want more of these styles, then you can always change the color which you want and it will get changed. One more thing to add over here is, if you see over here, there is quick formatting. Okay, so if you want to change, if you want to see numbers above this pencil, if I select this one, if you see now, this is pencil and these are the numbers. So these are quick changes which you can always select. Okay, then you can always add an axis, title, primary or lower, and so on. So I will just keep it the basic one. Now if you click over here, you will see the same chart styles. If you want to change the color, you can always change it. Okay, if you want to categorize it and select only some of the charts, then you can select those also. Then there are some different options over here, that if you want to select, show some data with data tables also, then you can show those also. If you see over here, you can see totals also over here. Okay, then there are data labels. Okay, so if you want axis titles also, then supposing this is your, this is the data which is getting displayed. So if you want sales, these are your sales. Okay, these are your descriptions, so you can write over here description, or you can just select this cell. Okay, then what will happen, you need to press equal to. Okay, at that point only it will show you the name. Okay, uh, okay, access title which you want to type a name over here. Okay, you can always say that I want to type description over here. Okay, then description will get saved over here. Okay, So if you want total to be something different, then you can always type equal to this column, so it will equal to B3. Okay, or else in this case you will have to directly type sales because there is no reference, but we can always type a reference also for charts. So these are different types of charts which we can always use. Okay, chart types, if you want to move chart, if you want to switch rows, then also you can do this. You can see pencil and this pencil, pen, everything getting shifted. Okay, so you can always play with these chart types and formatting of this cells in case you need it, and the best chart will be as per your requirement. Then there are also some kind of line charts over here. If you go over here within insert tab, you can see these are some of the line charts over here. Okay, if you see these charts, okay, these are mostly used in stock markets, wherein you want to see how does a particular stock it is trending, but this the height of this and height and width of this chart will vary, so you need to use this cautiously, otherwise you can use different kind of charts as and when required. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.